In 2013, Little Caesars unveiled their new Deep Deep Dish Pizza. A pizza so beloved, we decided on the week of July 1st to ask Little Caesars fans to set off some fireworks in support of our new pizza. The response was amazing. Over 800 billion fireworks painted the night sky from Maine to California, each one a clear and intentional statement of love for Deep Deep Dish Pizza. Fireworks soon became the #1 trending topic on Twitter, and we garnered over 1.5 trillion unpaid media impressions. America spoke and we listened. Little Caesars' new Deep Deep Dish Pizza is obviously the most loved pizza in the history of the world.